sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna sireact kwi-album entsha ka DJ Stocky amapiano iphumile Friday, so 6 days or 7 days iphumile. So bengifuna ukureact yona because bikhona ivideo before ngeke ngayenza ngicomplain kwesinadi say I feel like amapiano they are losing the fight against i3 Step uMaskandi because no one is releasing anything but can release during the year because uMaphorisa waqale yena ukhipha Kabza uMomo bonke bakhiphile party awekho ama festive song like ama hits ophela konyaka. So i-album kaStocky iphumile and it is very slowly tempo yakhona like nje deep soulful like inalo feeling ye deep house la, but I'm happy ukuthi ngibone uStocky release sekwephela unyaka because sikhona ezinye ingoma I feel like izopopa mhlawumbe nazo ngesama, but I think izophika kahle maybe early next year around about January or February. But zikhona lezo ngoma nje like khona ingoma yakhe music video ebizwa ngeSkorokoro .20 enoSpinoff. I think yona ngoma engathi izoba hit because even nase radioweni iyapopa yona. I think yona ke le ngathi iya aphila because ezinye ingoma zakhona slowly soulful zi deep house, but I feel like i-album ihlangene ndikuseyona kuStocky because uStocky usually make i-album maybe iba nengoma ezu2 ezoba ama hit song. I-album yakhe ayivamisile ukuthi ibe hit album yonke, but lena nje production yakhe I think ithe kuba deep kakhulu like ile level yama Fruitman labana. So I think uStocky usasticka kule element yaqala amapiano because ngiyakhumbula around about 2015 esaqala amapiano ay slow like ungineza le vibe yalama jita la okuyona ama founders amapiano ama MFR Souls. So because ingoma zabo slowly zinala ilog drum liyaqala leyana ipiano. So I think i-album ihlangene but I think iphume late because right now abantu badakwe festive season bafuna ingoma ezithi kuba fast, but zikhona ingoma ezimnandi. There's one song eno Azana engizwile, so I think yona leyo ngoma leyo outstanding for me. But there's one song enomunye umjito ushaya saxophone lapha ngazi umjito noma intombazana, but that song inamandla na that is one of the song ithe uba yinde. I think la ku 8 minutes is strong nayo ihlangene. There's ingoma akayenzela lo mjito lo Afro Creation lo i-Afro Creation ubiza ngayo lo mjito le slowly nayo, but I think abantu abaningi abathanda isoul nabathanda ijazz bazoyithanda leyo ngoma leyo. So na ngiyithandile. There's also another song ebizwa iDalidali no lo mjito okuyena I think right now when it's come to amajita la ama vocalist beside uMthunzi I think uBrandon Dludlu omunye umuntu outstanding so khona. So nayo ingoma ibizwa iDalidali enye ingoma nayo outstanding album leyo. So abantu beneza attention nayo leyo ngoma. There's also another song eno Russell Zuma nawo uyi-vocalist yaziwayo. So nje i-album ebalansile, but ingoma leno Azana I think yona mina efiyalenda kahle kakhulu ke. iSkorokoro obvious siphume ezi single, so sinama numbers already. So I feel like uStocky I think usayibambile because uStocky vele akakaze belo muntu ochase ama hits kakhulu, but nje ubamba le sound and le sound yokubamba ipiano mix ne deep house I think usayibambile right now because even ekalo uStocky as a DJ wangasevele DJ wamapiano o DJ we deep house. So I think lo ifan base yakhe la lapha eSoweto liyaqala akazoyiluza because usayibambile lo element. It's just the timing album yakhe I feel ngathi iphume sekulate sekwephela unyaka maybe uboy keep around abo May uJune bizolenda kahle ibe ne build up, but there's a song akayenzile nalo mjita we uRis lo ababe ne group lana benozuma laphana. So ikhona ingoma ibizwa ngeSummertime enye nayo ingoma leyo inabo uvibe nyana, but still slowly ayikho lezi ngoma zepiano lezi ezine speaker yabo lezi eshaya lezi zasePitori because this I think basincishile lo sound lo, but leyo ngoma enoRis nayo I think izomthatha uRis imbuyise kubantu abaningi because naye omunye umuntu olekha ukuphefu ukurelease ever since baxabana benozuma laphana ambala ama features abo, but leyo ngoma I think ilendile. Khona enye ingoma enoLim Crazy nayo ke leyo ngoma I'm not sure ukuthi recordweni but uLim Crazy nje isound ngathi ingoma erecordwe last year wesene energy nayo isafika. So I think nayo leyo ngoma leyo enye ingoma outstanding. So i-album nje balance ingoma eziningi zu17, so if I can rate it maybe ngayinikeza maybe u8 out of 10. So uStocky nje lo no album sabalansile usayibambile laphana compared to album yakhe la last year. I think this one izothuba more appealing because last year I think sasilindele ama hits akade wakhipha ngalwanyaka lo 2023, but album iphumile iseyitora abantu bengayicheck khona ku Apple Music ngeke ngayibona ivele khona no Spotify na ku YouTube Music everywhere nje. So uStocky ubuyile album ibiza ushando kandaba, so sivala khona lapho. So Speaker Nawe sekhona ku Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku Facebook Speaker Nawe, Insta Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku Twitch ethi Speaker Nawe, TikTok Speaker Nawe. Away we out.